Hello and welcome back to Full Scholarships. This is the number one scholarship portal on all over Instagram. And if you have not followed us on Instagram, please click the follow button. You can get all details here. You can ask us any questions regarding scholarships or studying abroad. If you are not subscribed to our YouTube channel, please press the subscribe button. Also press the bell notification icon to receive the exclusive videos first. For today's video, we will be discussing the Saudi Arabia fully funded scholarship to study bachelor's, master's and PhD. To get this scholarship link, you have to simply check video description. You can get the link of scholarship there. Also, there is a messages link and you can directly message us from there. You can also comment down your difficulty in submitting any application. Also, you can check our videos are posted daily here, and different types of scholarships, internships and related programs are published. You can also get links from our comment section. You can ask us and we will provide you everything. So to begin with today's video, there is a scholarship is full Saudi Arabia fully funded scholarship, and it's provided by King Abdulaziz University. And it's for this, there is no application fee for this scholarship to submit, and it's very rich in helping students from international communities to study there. And lot of courses are available: master's, undergraduate and above postdoctorate courses. And there is very few eligibility criteria to be completed and documents to be submitted. To start the application process, you have to simply get the scholarship link from our video or Instagram bio here or Instagram story, or you can message us on Instagram and ask for the link. After getting the link, you can read details on our website here. Also, if you have not downloaded our Android application, you can simply download here. Click on this phone tab and this Android application will be downloaded. You will get the notifications on your phone. Also, you can watch videos here, and you can simply scroll down and here you can check the yellow button, official website of King Abdulaziz University. Simply click here on that yellow button and this will redirect you to another page, to the official University of King Abdulaziz, Saudi Arabia. You can check the study programs available here, and here you can check Arabic language diploma, undergraduate programs and graduate programs. Simply we will fill any of the applications, and to show you how the portal looks, let's simply show you the undergraduate application program. Simply you have to click here on the apply now button, and this will take you to another destination of page, that's undergraduate programs. You can check your program or stream here and choose according to your, everything is almost covered. And simply scroll down. After choosing your course, you can check entry requirements, and simply at the end you can check the apply now button. Similarly, for other courses like applying to graduate programs or any, simply today we will fill the graduate program application. It's similar to bachelor's, but only the documents are different and the method is totally same. Even the application form is same, only there are few document changes that need to be completed. For graduate and programs, simply click on here apply now button. After clicking on the apply now button, this will take you to another page. There will be two options of filling PhD application program or for master's program. For us, we will submit the master's program. Simply click apply for a master's program button, and this will take you another destination. Here you can check your stream, you can check the course availability and entry requirements. Simply after completing these details, reading these details, click here at the end, click here on the apply now button. After clicking on the apply now button, this will take you another page. Here you can check we have to create account, or similarly if you have previously created an account, you can simply log in here. For us, we are new and an international student, we have to create an account. Simply click here on the create account. After clicking on that, you will have simply submit here an email address. After filling the email address detail, click on the register button. This will take you another page. Here you can check the registration has been completed successfully and a username and password has been sent on email. Simply let's get that email and simply log in back. Simply go back one step and click here on the login button and fill the details as per your email that you have sent. Simply after filling the details received in email, click here on the login button. There might be some error, let me check back. Simply refresh the page and the application form will appear. You have to submit details as per the passport. Simply submit your details. These are not verified details. Choose your country and simply submit your passport details. These are not verified passport details. I am just submitting that. Simply choose the country of residence and simply choose the passport expiry date. I am assuming these are not verified details. Simply verify your details first, then only submit. And simply choose the date of birth. You have to verify your details. You have to submit simply these according to your passport. Simply submit your place of birth, your gender, your religion, and your marital status. After that, you have to simply submit phone number and simply click on the next. After clicking on the next, you have to simply submit the education details. For us, we are submitting masters, so we have to complete the bachelor platform, and for that we have to submit the place of graduation. After that, submit the college or university name, your major, and choose your graduation year. After that, choose your percentage or CGPA and simply submit your English test. IELTS TOEFL is accepted. Simply submit the exam date and click on the next. After submitting these details, you can check the programs available. You can do any of this, like here is like male and female sections is separately mentioned, so simply choose your section as a male or female that you have submitted. After that, click on the next. Now you have to attach these files: the passport, the graduation certificate, the transcripts of the previous degree, and English language exam certificate, recommendations from your professor 1, 2, and curriculum vitae. Similarly, statement of purpose, your personal photograph, and if you have any other activities, you can submit that. After that, click on the next button. And simply then you have, after submitting details, you have to simply confirm your details, cross verify them, simply click here on the I certify and save and send. So this cannot be sent because we have not attached the documents, so it's showing an error to us. It's as we have not submitted the documents. So after confirming and submitting all the documents, you can simply click on the follow up. When your application will be submitted, you can simply check your here that your application has been submitted. You can also change password if you do not like the password sent in your email. Simply All details, these are like only 5 steps are there: personal information, education, registration, attach files, confirmation, and follow up. And you can simply change your password here, and also you can sign out from the page here. So that's how we have submitted the online application for masters in King Abdul Aziz University. This scholarship is fully funded, and you can cross verify every detail here. At the end, if you have not followed us on Instagram, please click the follow button at Full Scholarships. Also, if you have not subscribed our YouTube channel, please press the subscribe button. You won't regret subscribing us because we have the content that will enlighten your future. Join us for daily updates, and you can watch our previous videos here. Everything is mentioned, and please comment down your difficulty, like video, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.